Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Thermomix TM21. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your appliance in top condition. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected from the power source before proceeding. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. To do this, simply twist the lid counterclockwise until it releases. Set these aside for cleaning later. Now let's focus on the base unit. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the control panel. If you notice any dust or debris inside, use the small brush to carefully clean the internal components. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Thermomix. While you're inside, check for any loose connections. If you find any, ensure they are securely fastened. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the unit. Place the base cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. Now let's clean the bowl and lid. Use warm soapy water and a soft cloth to wipe down both components. Avoid using abrasive materials, as they can scratch the surface. Rinse thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before reattaching. Once everything is clean and dry, reattach the bowl and lid to the base. Ensure the lid is twisted back into place securely. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your appliance needs. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM21 back in and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, remember to get a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Regular maintenance will not only extend the life of your Thermomix, but also enhance its performance. Thank you for following along with this maintenance guide. We hope you found it helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.